Welcome back. Ponda Taluka's new bus stand, which was inaugurated with much extravaganza in September 1991, is now in lurch. There are no destination boards or drinking water facility. Power fluctuation is a daily affair. KTC officer Rajendra Korgaonkar says, wait for the execution of master plan for Ponda, which includes facelift of the bus stand.
Broken destination boards, lack of proper drinking water facility, weary look, scary environment has made life hell for commuters at new bus stand at Ponda. Even the power supply is fluctuating every hour. This is the view of the KTC bus stand at night time when there is power cut. We asked the KTC officer about this sorry state of affairs. He said, give us 6 months time to modify the bus stand. Let the master plan for Ponda be executed and then there will be no reason to complain.
उदकाची लाइन आता ती न्यू बिल्डिंग आरटीओ आणि कदंबाचो कॉम्प्लेक्स येयल्या थंय मातशी ती मेन लाइन डिस्टर्ब जाल्ली आसा ती बिल्डिंग जेन्ना आपली स्टार्ट जाल्ल्या बिल्डिंगेचें काम आनी फर्स्ट फेज जातली तेन्ना इमर्जन्सी लेवलाचेर उदक सप्लाय करतले आनी लायटीचो प्रॉब्लम सद्या सॉर्ट आउट केल्लो मीन वायर पण सामको परमनंट हे सगळे एस्टिमेट जाल्लो आनी हेजी एस्टिमेट पॉयंट जावन सगळो प्रोसेस जावन हेचेर सगळें टोटल लायट रिन्युएशन जातलें आनी बाकीचे बोर्ड ना आनी कितें ना हे पोंडाच्या मास्टर प्लॅनान घेतलेलो आहा टेंडर काडून म्हणजे जे कितें प्रोसेसाक जो कितें टायम लागता तो लागून ऑटोमॅटीक सगळे म्हणजे साधारण एक 4 म्हयन्यान तरी जातलें अशें सांगता.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
And before we end our bulletin, let's have a look at Savat celebration in Abbasia locality in Kuwait. Around 10 families come together and celebrate Savat in a grand way. They recite special prayers for Ganesh Ji, sing aartis, play ghumat and cook varied dishes.
Can you think of a going Ganesh Mandal in Kuwait? Have a look at this Savat celebration. These are the people who are away from their families living in Kuwait. They worship Ganesh every year with great fervor and enthusiasm. Around 10 families come together and celebrate the festival. They call their Ganesh of 10 families. It's been 20 to 25 years this tradition has been carried forward. They pray, sing, play and enjoy. Specially cooked dishes are also prepared during Savat festival. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.